How to add the marks in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color workspace at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the color grading and masking happen. Next, select the clip you want to add the marks to by clicking on it in the timeline. After that, look at the middle panel and find the window icon, which looks like a circle or a square depending on the shape you want. Click on it to open the masking tool. You can choose from different shapes like a circle, square, or even draw a custom shape using the pen tool for precise control. Once you have chosen your mask shape, position and resize it over the area of the clip you want to affect. You can drag the marks points to adjust the size and shape perfectly around your subject or object. Next, you can transform and soften the mask edges by adjusting the slider, which helps blend the masked area smoothly with the rest of the clip. This step is important to avoid harsh lines that make the effect look unnatural. Finally, apply your color correction, effect, or adjustment inside the masked area. This allows you to highlight or change specific parts of the video without affecting the whole frame. And that's it. Now you know how to add marks in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.